Belue Creative Cybersecurity collaboration with CyberXec. Penetration Test Vulnerability Assessment Security Consulting Services. Belue Creative team consists of specialist white-hat hacker security engineers and security consultants. Team is experienced in performing penetration test on more than 1,000 systems every year, including Bank of Japan, major banks and government organizations in Japan since 2014. Why pen test and vulnerability assessment? Security is not an option. It's a necessity to keep your organization and your customers safe, and vulnerability assessment and pen test is the first step. It's a compulsory item to be audited per direction from Bangladesh Bank. In a penetration test, also known as a pen test or ethical hacking, Belue Creative confirms security assessment on overall vulnerability assessment, network security, web application security, wireless network security, endpoint security, social engineering, physical security, data security, security policy governance, incident response and detection, authentication and authorization. Belue Creative's professionals perform vulnerability assessment for customers with proprietary vulnerability assessment tools. For details, please find separate document, SPM, Vulnerability Assessment Tool. Key areas: 1. Identify known vulnerabilities in the OS, status of security patches. 2. Risk assessment of known vulnerabilities of installed packages and OS, CVE, CVSS v2, CVSS v3, 3. PCI-DSS, Requirement 11.3.1.3, Credential Scan 4. List of operating processes and operational service. 5. Authenticity of user account. Specialty: no impact on production systems, low false positive, false negative, diagnosis can be done in minutes. Security consulting services. Security solution planning. Security solution integration. Planning and execution of security operation, SOC, CSIRT design and integration. Security investigation.